ADHI Vinayagar Enterprises, the trusted partner for your industrial needs since 2002. 2 decades of excellence with 5,000 customers and growing. Our solution ranges from compressed air generation to material handling.
Reciprocating compressors has been in the DNA of LG, and over the period we have developed application-specific products catering to a wide range of industries. The third and new generation direct drive piston compressor is the outcome of continuous advancement for over 60 years. And as always, LG has engineered the full range of revolutionary piston compressors in our world-class facility with enhanced technology. Our manufacturing infrastructure is at the core of our success and reflects our belief in quality and innovation. Our commitment to being always better means we tirelessly pursue better quality standards and invest to ensure greater control over our systems and processes. We believe technology will propel us into the next century, and thus, we have invested in technology that will build your earth. The direct drive piston compressors offer superior performance with unique integrated design of motor and top block. Each component designed for reliability and ease of maintenance, which makes it a great investment for any user. Longer life of piston and piston rings, owing to lower piston speed. Precise tolerance and effective transmission offers more flow of air. Elimination of belt drive results in lesser energy consumption. Efficient IE2 6-pole low-speed motor ensures reliability. Large cooling area offers better temperature control, thereby reducing the load on downstream equipment. Common cooling fan for motor and top lock, unlike the conventional belt drive model for energy efficiency and power saving. Higher HP variants are offered as duplex models to support fluctuating demands of the industry. As always, this product is designed keeping in mind the customer's needs and wants. Customers who run compressors for more than 8 hours per day. Customers for whom power cost creates a significant impact on their end product price. Customers who prefer compressors operating with low noise. All OEMs who look for a reliable product with good customer value. Unlike the conventional belt-driven compressors, these compressors are compact, silent, and run for longer duty. Best-in-class flow for the given input power. Durable parts. Compact crank design requiring only half the oil fill requirement and minimum number of service points combined together offers a never-before assured quickest return on investment to the customers. With all these benefits, we present to you a comprehensive LG product with unbeatable value proposition.
You can reach us at 99422158181. Our toll-free number is 180031340001. You can mail us in info@adivinayagar.in.